हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आज आपके लिए लाया हूं कि इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ क्लास 10th पॉलिनोमियल चैप्टर। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज स्टूडेंट्स, इफ p of x is equal to 5x square plus 5x plus 1, then find the value of alpha square plus beta square, alpha inverse plus beta inverse, alpha cube plus beta cube. So polynomial is students p of x is equal to this. As you know, it is a quadratic equation, and what is the form of quadratic equation? X square plus bx plus c. So a is your what, students? A is the coefficient of x square, that is 5. B is your what, students? B is the coefficient of x, that is also 5. And C is your what, students? C is 1. You know the relations between the coefficient and zeros of a quadratic polynomial, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus b by a, minus b is what, 5, and a is what, 5. So minus 5 by 5 is equal to, students, minus 1. Okay, and alpha into beta is what? Alpha into beta is, students, what? C by a. C is what here? 1, and a is what? 5. So C alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 5. So you have to find out, students, the value of alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square. You know there is a formula. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, so alpha plus beta, you know, that is given minus 1, that is minus 1 square minus 2 into alpha beta 1 by 5. So it will become minus 1 whole square is equal to plus 1 minus 2 by 5. So take LCM, students, it will become 5, 1 5 is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 is the correct answer. Next, bit 2, students, alpha inverse plus beta inverse. So alpha inverse, beta inverse, we can write it as, students, what? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So take LCM, students, what will become? Alpha into beta, and in the numerator alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta, students, you know what? That is minus 1. Okay, and alpha into beta you got 1 by 5. Okay, so you minus 1 by 1 into 5 by 1, student, answer is minus 5. Minus 5 is the correct answer. Then third bit, alpha cube plus beta cube, students, alpha cube plus beta cube. So alpha cube plus beta cube, students, कैसे निकलोगे आप? Here also, you know, there is a formula, that is identity, that is alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta whole cube, students, is what? Alpha plus beta whole cube, how can you find out? By putting the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta is 1 by 5. Okay, then into alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is what, students? Minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 minus into minus is equal to plus, that is 3 by 5. So take LCM, students, here, that is 5, 1 5 is 5, that is minus 5 plus 3. This is equal to minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2 by 5. So that is the answer. So student, to solve such type of questions more easily, please like, share, and put if you have any doubt in the comment box, so that I can upload more and more such type of videos. Okay, thank you everybody, have a nice day.